choice whether you want to write 2021 or not. I've wrote here and now I'm going to insert lines also from the elements option. And after creating, just save it. So now I have printed front and back covers of my planner. I got this website named Printables and Inspiration, and I'll be mentioning link of this website in my description box and you can check it out from there. So from here I'm going to print these purple colored monthly calendars. So this is the PDF, and for downloading it, click on direct download. These are monthly planner pages which I printed January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So all the pages are here. This is one page calendar of 2021 which I have downloaded. For making my goals page, I am going to use Canva app. Again, click on blank. I am going to change the color of the page. In the elements option, I wrote rectangle in the search box and I got this beautiful sticker. Again I searched borders and I got this pink border. Now by duplicating, I'm going to flip them and I'm going to place them on the corners. Now I am going to write goals. And I'm going to place it in the rectangle. Again I got this sticker of white box and now I am going to search star. And I'm going to choose one star. Now by duplicating this star, I'm going to place all these stars just like bullets. Now from the elements option, I'm going to choose a line and I'm going to place them below one another. After creating your page, just save it. Now I am going to make a personal info page and I have changed the color of the page from white to blue. Now I've selected this yellow color border. Now I'm going to select this arrow like sticker name. Place one line below phone number as well. You can decorate this page as per your choice. Whatever I am doing, it's just a demo. So now I am going to insert this plain sticker. You can choose any sticker. Now by searching flowers, I am going to select one sticker. I am going to choose this sticker. After completing your page, just save it. These are my 3 pages which I have printed out. Now I am going to make tab divider. You can choose any color of your own choice. Now I am going to choose one font style and I am going to write one short quote on it. Focus on the good. You can write any quote as per your choice. Now I am going to search butterfly. And I'll be choosing this blue butterfly sticker. Just place it, adjust its size. Now these are 2 tab dividers which I have made by my own. Now I'm going to make one sticker page for my planner, and making stickers for your planner is optional. You can skip it. And if you want to make that page, you can choose images, or if you want to choose emojis, you can choose them of your own choice. And according to your lifestyle, if you travel, you can choose one sticker of plane. And if you study, you can choose one sticker of books, as I have did. Now my sticker page is all ready. Now I've printed it out. I've pasted my front and back pages of planner on a piece of a cardboard. Also, I have teared out these pages from one of my old diary. Now arrange all the pages. This is my back cover, my transparent bag, and in this bag I am going to put my stickers, the pages which I have teared out. I'm going to write my ideas on it, my tab divider, my monthly planner pages, another tab divider, notes page, my one page calendar of 2021, my personal info page, the glitter sheet which is going to be my dashboard, and my front page. I am going to attach sticky notes on this glitter sheet and it's going to be my dashboard. Also, I have attached this beautiful washi tape